and today we're, okay, hold on. Hi guys, and today, okay, wait, that is basically, okay, so, you can't see my face right now, because I can't see my own face. So today we're gonna play Tornado in real life. So I decided today would be the perfect day to finally make this video, since it is so windy. It is so windy over here. It is really windy where I live, so it's so windy. Like, it's so windy. Like, bro, I've been playing this for the past 20 minutes. It's been gusty for the past. It's been so windy. All right, here. It's been so windy. So, yeah. In a few days, I'm going to do another video. My friend got 235,000 views on. And it's not a trend, but it still gets really popular. Bro, the winds are literally pushing me. Look. My feet are not on the ground. My feet are not on the ground. The wind is pushing me. The wind just pushed me so much. And I also like 50 pounds. Is that crazy? Oh my gosh. So, let's get started. So, in 3, 2, and 8. I'm gonna go ahead and start watching the news right now. Go ahead and start watching. Today there is a high amount of wind today. There's a high amount of wind. Pretend there's a news thing right over. So today there's a 50 miles an hour winds right now, possible 10 miles an hour winds, possible tornadoes. This part, there's a tornado, major tornado warning right there. It's possible right there. That is completely possible. So yeah, that's completely possible. You can get a major tornado warning there. So yeah, please be careful while driving around the roads and be safe. So yeah, go ahead. Please be safe, be careful. Good. So that, please, I'll follow you. So, I guess we could, leave a like if I should do maybe another video, but maybe it might be windy of this, and I'll actually leave a like if you want me to be like English. It's so dang windy. Look at that. It's windy. It's pushing me. It's literally pushing me. Bro, come on. Wait, let's just put one up. That's so good. Yeah. This is my vehicle. Think you gotta break anything down or something? I got a tool. I got one of these. I found it in the. Hi, Mom. Oh no! I was about to go look for him. Oh, come on outside. Wait, I'm trying to get tools. Okay. Ow, no. Every time I try it, come, Nick. I'm recording a video. Splash it on here. So it's so gusty. Oh my gosh. Tornado's right above us. The tornado's literally right above us. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Right above us, oh my gosh. Okay, we can't get in the basement. Move. This is not actually real. So, it's all passes and shit.